Mina ngathi mese ngizwile ukuthi uThindi International ngazitshela kahle ukuthi angiyanga ukuyodlala laphaya, angiyanga ukuyodlala ney'ngane. Angeke ngithi sengitsheliwe ukuthi uThinda is international, mina ngihambe ngiyodobha umZulu, mina ngihambe ngiyodobha umXhosa laphaya. Ngihlangana nabo zonke izinsuku erenkeni nasestradeni, ngisebenza nabo, ngiyababona ngiphinde ngiyobadobha kwi-app. Sekushiwo ukuthi yeyi siyaflya la, sindizela phezulu, international. Ayibo. Angithi ngesikhathi sokudlala wena lalela. Before you like this, before you even watch this video, ngicela ungenzele nje sure ukuthi uyalike, uyalike, uyakhomenta, uyasubscribe. Igama lami nguZandi Sibonga ngumfeka makuthi awungazi mawumusha, welcome. Ilona-ke ikhale lesikhulisanayo kulona, sikhuluma ngezinto ezenzeka empilweni, sikhuluma ngezinto ezizokwakha, ezizokukhulisa, ezizokuqinisa. Mawukuthi nawe unaso sakho isitori ofuna ukuthi sisixoxe la ekhaya, njengamanje nje sihamba ngalo mthambo weThina Moments. Lethe sakho, siyasifuna ngoba yazini. Hayi, ake sibone kangcono, asijajani-ke. Hayi yabo ukujajana phela kwento esingayenzi-ke la ekhaya, asijajani, siyalalela nje, sihleke, sihleke owaflopa ngendlela aflopa ngayo, simhleke Nkosi yami, sibuye-ke from ekuhlekeni kona lokho amaphutha akhe. Nathi-ke bese sithi hhayi, asifunde-ke emaphutheni akhe. Woza, sondela.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi Sibonga umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zona isihambela likude phezulu. Do join.
Kuleli khaya ke siphusha nga-4 pillars bazalwane. Uma umusha siyakwamukela, ikhaya lenjabulo leli, siyahleka, siyakhana, siyakhulisana. Iy'tori ezinye zimnandi, ezinye zibuhlungu, kodwa okubalulekile ukuthi isifundo sine sisitholayo kusona, and yini thina esiyithatha sihambe nayo siyoyi-apply empilweni zethu moving forward, ukuze singazitholi singena kuleya trap loyaya omunye wethu asixoxelile ukuthi kwenzakalani, nathi sizithole siphinde singena kuyona. Uma umusha siyakwamukela, please comment, please like, please subscribe. Uma une-story siyacela ukuthi usilethe isitori sakho. Uma kuwukuthi-ke une-channel that you want us to advertise for you, please bring it. I'm doing this for free. And njengamanje, I just want to shine a spotlight to our sister. Yes, guys, this lady has been with me from the time I started the podcast last year, February, when I just revamped my channel and I went into podcast. OG Media, Obake is my super sweetheart. I love her so much. Ngizopina down on the comment section i-link ye-channel yakhe. Wenza ama-vlogs, uyapheka, kanti mangabe unabantwana abancane, uzojabula kakhulu ukuxoxa naye lapha yambi, ngoba uzojabula kakhulu ubona amavidiyo yakhe, ngoba uhleze exoxa lapha kwi-channel yakhe nabantwana bakhe, gives ama-tips on raising kids and everything, how to juggle being a career woman, raising kids, handling family. Yabona nje yonke lonto, and keep it all together. So yes, guys, please go and subscribe to OG Media, because she is our sister here. She's our sister who's always here with us, who supports this channel, who's always commenting. Nawe uma une-channel ofisa ukuthi ngiku-advertisele yona, abantu bayibone, bayi-subscribe, please come forward. Angeke ngikucharge. At the moment, I'm not charging anything. Kodwa ukubalulekile ukuthi we are here for the story. Let me give you a background ukuthi-ke mina ngifika kanjani kuThinda kuqala, before sesingene nje ey'ndabeni ey'ningi. You know by now ukuthi I'm a return soldier. I'm a divorcee, and as I'm a divorcee, i-divorce yami ayizange izibe lula, futhi ayizange izibe mnandi. Kwakunzima. When my divorce went through at that time, ngangise-Joburg. Mangise-Joburg, ngisebenza in the University of Johannesburg at the time, and nayo-ke i-divorce-ke went through around those times. Okay, la endlini, let me tell you first ukuthi endlini bengihlala ngedwa, bengihlala nengane yami. The so-called ex-husband, or the so-called ex-husband, vele besasingasahlali ndawonye because sahlukana at the time. Mina mangithola lo msebenzi wase-UJ, ngiyonixoxela leso story ngalolo langa nje from A to Z. That is why the other time I was telling you ukuthi ngizilile, hence izinwele zami zingakaze yakhula manje, kusho ukuthi inzile iyaphela, uSeptember iyaphela, iphela kanye nayo. Okay, so ngihlala nengane la endlini, and let me tell you ukuthi mina my divorce that I went through, oh guys, i-divorce angiyifiseli ngisho isitha sami. Yabona mangabe ngithi ngisho isitha sami engingasazi i-divorce, I don't wish it for anyone. That process is painful, is hurtful, because akekho umuntu othi meshada ashada azakolode athi mina mengabe sengixaka nje lokuxama engishada naye ngiyamdivosa, mengabe sengikhathele nje uyena ngiyamshiya. Akekho noyedwa umuntu kubo bonke, ungalihamba uliqede kubo bonke abantu abashada badivorce. Uma ubabuza, they will tell you nobody gets married to divorce. That is why most of the time thina siyindlu emnyama umshado kuyinto eyafika nabelungu like this. That is why uthola kulula ukuthi we don't even indaba yokuthi ushada in community of what fanele wenza ama-prenup is not even an issue kuthina. Uvele nje boom, umuntu nje navumelana ukuthi niyashada, kwenziwa zonke izinto ezenziwa, emva kwalokho the rest is history. You're not even bothered ukuthi khona into ekufanele ni-discuss kwathini izinto ama-asset. So mina-ke ngazithola ngikule simo, or I went through a divorce whereby I forfeited everything. I divorced my ex-husband with forfeiture, which means everything that we owned, that we were supposed ukuthi siyihlukanise. Ngathi nje bhuti hamba uyosithela nge-right, impilo izoqhubeka, ngizoba right, ngizoqala phansi, ngizoba right, and here I am. Angikho right? Ayiqhubeka impilo? Ngifika kanjani-ke kuThinda? Uzele leyo. KuThinda, ungakhohlwa, hamba usubscribe lapha ku-Food Channel, Food Gazem. What's Cooking with Z. Sengiqalile ukufaka i-content. Please ngicela uyongisupporta. Usubscribe kuleya channel leya. It's all things food. Ngifika kanjani-ke kuThinda? Ngiyadivosa la. I'm going through a nasty divorce. And let me tell you ukuthi as I was going through that nasty divorce, I was alone. Yo guys, I was alone. Ngiyonixoxela ngelinye ilanga ukuthi ngisho kanjani ukuthi I was alone, ngibe ngazalwa nabantu, ngibe empilweni nganginabantu engangibabiza friends, empilweni ngibe nganginabantu. Yazini. Asingangenini lapho ngoba sikho lapho, right? Okubalekile nje bamba ukuthi I was alone. The only person that was with me, but unfortunately was young, ukuthi wayengayi support structure. It was even going to be unfair to me ukuthi ngi-expect yena lowo muntu ukuthi angaba yi-support structure to me, ngoba how do I expect umntana omncane wami engimzalayo or who's got a life ahead of her, ozifundelayo nje Nkosi yami UJ, ukuthi abe yi-support structure yami? Kanjani? How do I even expect such? So hence I am saying to you, when I went through my divorce, mina, I was alone, like really, really alone. So I'm going through a divorce. I'm divorcing with forfeiture. It finally came through and I went into depression. I didn't even know ukuthi I was depressed. But having umntwana waye-smart, studying at UJ naye at the time, and the first day yakhe, wayebona ukuthi uma iyamdla lento. So into eyayenzeka-ke, the way I was so depressed, guys, ngi-depressed, I don't even know. And it's true vele ukuthi kuthiwa mengabe u-depressed awuziboni. It's very important ukuthi uwazi ama-signs we-depression. Yabo, umuntu ovela odla alale, ongakhulumi nabantu, ongasocialize, ongaphumi onjani. Lo muntu usuke ne-depression enkulu, and yena usuke ecabanga ukuthi he's having a me time, or he wants to rest or anything like that. Please niwagade lama-signs, guys. Umuntu o-depressed uyakuthanda ukuba yedwa isikhathi esikhulu, akabafuni abantu. Umuntu o-depressed uyadla. The only thing ayenzayo uyadla, uyalala. Ayikho enye into ebhadlileyo ayenzayo. Umuntu o-depressed uyazivalela. Nibagade abantu abazivalelayo all of a sudden, umuntu kade bubbly, social butterfly, yabona yonke leyo nto. So umntana-ke kusho ukuthi asibone lesimo. I mean, like, lo muntu ufunda e-university phela, uhlakaniphile, ukhulile, bayazazi lezi zinto, bayazifundiswa futhi nasesikoleni-ke ezinye zazo. So kusho ukuthi ayibuke lento umntana ingamjabulisi, because at the time wayefunda e-UJ, enetohanyana ayelenza part-time ebusuku nangemgqibelo. So be-driver already at the time. So mina into ebengiyenza emsebenzini, ngoLwesihlanu bengibuya ngabo-3 ntambama. Into ebengiyenza mina, bengibuya emsebenzini, ngidlule eCampus Square, Those of you who know UJ ese-Auckland Park, ine-Compass Square lapha ezansi, khona yonke into, khona uWoolies, it's a mall, khona uWoolies, khona yonke into. Ngangingene eWoolies, ngithenge la ma-roll lawa, yabona la ma-roll awu-6 ane-cheese, anogqinsi lika-cheese ngaphezulu omile. Ngibuye nalawo ma-roll, ngizobuya ne-grilled chicken, ngizobuya nayo yonke inhlobo yamajusi ongawacabanga, ngizobuya ne-tin roof, ngizobuya no-chocolate. Bese ngithi shwi eRocomamas. iRocomamas ngiyakhumbula isanda kufika, i-franchise yaseRocomamas ibifika ngaleso sikhathi. Ngingene eRocomamas. uRocomamas-ke uma ngicabanga was the first takeaway outlet eyasibonisa lama-chips. Yabona lama-chips axontsha u-cheese. Yes, yimi loya ngingene eRocomamas ngilande lawo ma-chips. Mengiqeda lapho ngimlande naleya double burger leya yabo ebabayo. Bese ngithi 100, bese ngizothi yabona lawo ma-wings ayiso-100 lama wings lawo 16 ase Chicken Licken. Ngizothi lawo ma-wings nge-R100 yami. Emva kwaloko ngishaya imoto ngibheke endlini. It's a Friday, cabanga 3:00 in the afternoon, mina ngiyomamfoza ukudla, ukuze mangiqeda ngilale. Ingane izothi yafika ibuya emsebenzini ngabo 8:08, already mina ngisembhedeni ngilele. Uma ngivuka futhi nganginabo guys ubuthongo, angifuni ukungasho ubuthongo nganginabo, nganginede ngisuthe nje zwi, angazi TV, angazi phone, ngangiyi-switch off futhi iphone ngingasifuni ngisho isicefe, ngangingasifuni isicefe ngale ndlela le. Ngangicikeka, abantu abangifonelayo ngangabafuni abantu abangifonelayo. That's how people who are depressed, that's how we see them. Umuntu maka-depressed uba nalowo mkhuba. Ngangingabafuni abantu abangifonelayo, ngangingabafuni ama-phone calls, ngibuye endlini ngilale. Ingane yayibuka yayibona lento ukuthi hayi man, umama akekho right, ku-wrong la, u-wrong mkhulu u-wrong. Akukwazi ukuthi umuntu obuya emsebenzini, obuya ngo-3 avele abuye alale, ngiyafika mina ngabo 8 uselele. And wayesenomkhuba wokuthi mangabe efika yena ephuma etohweni lakhe, afika angivuse, angidonse, wathi asizobuka imuvi, wasizokwenza ukuthi, wathi sizobudlala amakhadi. Yabona nje, he was just trying everything angayizama naye engenza ukuthi ngibe, yabo, ingqondo yami iphume kulento engikuyona, ngoba I was stressed, I was depressed, I have lost everything. I've lost the man I love well, that I thought that I was going to spend the rest of my life with. Here am I, I'm all alone. Yo, kwakukuningi guys. So kusho ukuthi usisi-ke mhlampe waxoxa mangicabanga, waxoxa la axoxa khona mhlampe ebanganeni bakhe, noma mhlampe emsebenzini la senze, cause at the time she was working in a call center environment. Mhlampe waxoxa ukuthi hey, uma guys is going through this and this and this and mhlampe waxoxa-ke ngoba ngezwa ngelinye ilanga esengitshela, hey ma, khona i-app engifuna ungene kuyona, bona lento yakho yokulala uhlangane nabantu, meet abantu nje, ngoba mina I can't get through you, ukuthi ngikhiphe manje, khiphela endlini, suhlezi uzivalela endlini, awusaphuma, awusahambi, so njani. So khona this app. Asho idonsa i-tablet yami, eyifaka i-app leyo. Ngithi mina yini ongiyeke yona ngesicefe sama-app, i-app yani leyo okhuluma ngayo. Ayichaza le app. Athi ma, yabona this thing, you don't even have to get out of the house, because at least it's something ozoyenza nje uhleli la endlini, uzozikhulumela nabantu labo uhleli la endlini, you don't have to go anywhere. Hey, the mask is so unuser friendly man. Hey, uzozikhulumela nabantu wena nje uhleli la endlini, you don't have to go anywhere. Okay, na ithini i-app? Asho umntana athi hayi, bangitshelile ukuthi khona into ekuthiwa uTinder kanjani, and kuthiwa nje leyo app inabantu abakhulile, aba-matured, aba-professional like you. Achaza. Okay. Awu na, hayi kulungile. Ayifaka umntana i-app, ayifaka create i-profile, enze yonke into ngokwakhe. A-create i-profile, afaka ama-pictures, enze, aqeda athi nya. Mekaqeda athi nayi i-password yakhe, igama lami. Ngena la, khulume nabantu. Ngikhathelwe wena mina ukuthi njalo ubuya emsebenzini on Friday, ubuya ulale, everyday ubuya ulale. You don't socialize, you don't go out. Izokugulisa lento, and mina ngisakuthanda, ngisakudinga. I know ukuthi you are going through a lot, kodwa-ke ukuthi you are going through what you are going through, akusho ukuthi sekufanele uyivalele phela. Impilo kufanele mayiqhubeke. Hayi, ngalelo langa sikhulume nje, sibe ne-heart to heart conversation to a point ukuthi umntana ngize ngibone ukuthi ayi cha, lento eyenzakalayo i-affecta naye. Akumina kuphela ogowayo, kodwa lento i-affecta naye. And ngiyakhumbula futhi ukuthi waze wafeyila ngalowo nyaka lowo, because waye-affectwa izinto ezazenzeka kumina. Waze wafeyila, wangifihlela futhi nokuthi ufeyilile ngalowo nyaka. And yeah, kwakukuningi nje guys. I-divorce ayikho mnandi, i-affect abantu abakuthandayo, ihlukumeza wonke umuntu around you osuke kubona leso sikhathi, ayikho mnandi. So ake sizame ukuthi imishado yethu siyibambisise, siyikhulekele ngazo zonke izindlela, every day siyibeke kuNkulunkulu. Uma wukuthi ukholelwe ekuthakatheni, uhambe uyofuna inyanga oyaziyo ikuthakathe umshado wakho, uqinise umshado wakho, wenze whatever it takes, because you don't want to go through a divorce. Trust me, you don't want to go through a divorce. Divorce is, hey, akekho umuntu okufanele andlule kwi-divorce guys, because umuntu usuke naye ngoba umthanda, futhi usuke umkhethe kwabaningi. Akekho nje umuntu ekusefuneka makandlule kwi-divorce, honestly speaking. So yeah, kube yileso simo-ke. Ayifake kumntana iTinder, kulokhunjana entweni yami, ayifake umntana aqede. Makayiqeda umntana afake nama-profile, afake nama-pictures, everything, enze yonke into aqede udala. Hayi, qonda ukuthi mina nginawo isikhathi kwasaTinder. Lo ngitshela ngoTinder engingamazi ukuthi uhlanganaphi nabo. Uyena uzongena kulowo profile leyo. Angeke ngingene mina kuleyo nto. Ngicela ukuthi lowo Tinder wahlala kanjalo kulowo tablet, mhlampe waphela u-3, 4, 5 months angisazi. Kodwa nje eside isikhathi saphela nje. Impela uhlelo waTinder lapha ngingakaze ngingene kona. Ngelinye ilanga angibuza ukuthi ngike ngangena yini kulokhunjana kwi-app yami. Ngithi mina, kambe wawungifakela into ithi othi ngibo. Hhayi ngalelo langa-ke ngivele ngibuke-ke nami ngipeculwe. Mangifika, mangaka ama-DM la, bangaka o-swipe, obani bani, abantu ababingelelayo. Abanye sebabingelela baze bayeka, abanye basaqhubeka, abanye basasanda kubingelela. Kubhizi la. Ngimbuze-ke ntombi ukuthi kwenziwa njani, athi hayi nami mangazi, mina ngikufakelile nje ngoba ngifuna ukuphume kule nto kuyona, ukuthi lokhu uconcentrate entweni engahambanga kahle empilweni yakho. Angazi nami ukuthi kwenzakalani going forward. Awuzifundele nawe uyisifundisa ntombi, ubone ukuthi kwenziwa njani. Hhayi ngibone nami ngempela ukuthi kwenziwa njani, ngigcine ngi-understand-a ukuthi kwenziwa njani. Uyaswipe la, uyaswipe left, uyaswipe right. Ungamfuni umuntu uthi left, uyadlula uma umfuna uthi right. Uma uthe right kanti naye bekuswipe right, boom, it's a match, kuvele le asayithi hey, ngithi hayi ngathi kusazoba mnandi-ke la. So ngithole ungi-understand ukuthi ngingena kuTinder nje, one, I'm from a big breakup, not just a breakup, a divorce. Ngingena kuTinder nje, I'm depressed. And one thing that I'm definitely sure of ukuthi I am not desperate. Ngiyazazi ukuthi angikho desperate. And from that moment, when I saw what is going on Tinder, I knew ukuthi number one, ngidlalele kude kwi-Nigerian. Number two, ngazitshela ngakufaka la ekhanda ukuthi ngizodlala, ngiphuma kwi-divorce mina. Ngeke ngiphume kwi-divorce bese ngicabanga ukuthi ngizokhipha iliva ngelinye bese kuvele kuyalunga nje kuhlangane simple kanjalo, straightforward. No. Let me be smart with this app. So la, angize ngizokhipha i-stress, ngizodlala. Uma ukuthi khona indlela ukuthi ngihlangane nabantu, fine. Kodwa angeke ube umphela ndaba lo ukuthi iy'mpendulo zami zenjabulo nezothando ngizozithola la. Ngoba hayi ngahamba ngayoyenza ne-research, ngabuza nase-office kwabanye abantu, basho abantu ukuthi hayi leyo app leyo is full of Nigerians. Abanye babe ngi-advise-ke mina e-UJ-ke ngangisebenza nabantu abaqaqekile-ke, khona nabelungu ngaphela iTinder kugcwela nabelungu. Besho, avoid this, avoid that. You want to start dating again? That's a good thing. It's good for your health, because you don't want to be depressed forever, because phela ngisho babazi vele ukuthi I'm going through a divorce and everything. So office nje they were aware, because you know when you're going through things you must tell people osebenza nabo, especially if you know ukuthi they care, because ofuna ukuzithola usuwenza izinto ezi-wrong, abantu banga-understand ukuthi why are you over insensitive, why mhlampe are you poorly performing, so that they can support you any possible way abangakusupporta ngakhona, especially in professional organizations, because khona no-EAP la ungarefer khona abantu bebona ukuthi hayi nase-ofisini so uxawa na uperforma, uyabo yonke leyo into leyo. Kodwa-ke ngithi mina kuwena, stay tuned, ngilandele ku-part 2. Ngifuna ku-part 2 ngikutshele kahle ukuthi i-strategy engangiza naso kuTinder sasithini, ngakhetha bani, ngayeka bani, ngacabuza bani, ngahamba nobani. Hlala nami.